in one of the most horrific crashes we have ever seen. What happened here, Mike?
Well, what happened was Bruce Allen in the right-hand lane got the car a little bit loose, and it moved over towards wall out of the groove. When he went to correct, it was basically with no downforce. It rotated the rear end of that race car around, trying to spin it out. And then when he hit the rubber in the middle of the racetrack, he tips it up on his side. Kenny Koretsky just basically T-bones him in just a horrific accident right there.
You can see it. You can hear how violent